It all started with the idea that tea is more than a beverage. For thousands of years, tea has been a symbol of economic, political, and social value. In ancient China, it was reserved only for the upper social tier. In medieval Japan, the tea ceremony held a key symbolic role in diplomatic practice. A few centuries later, it was brought over to Europe and became an indicator of status. What is particularly interesting to me as an international relations student is a story told by the history of tea on the relations of the East and the West. It's a story of imperialistic expansion, of economic exploitation, but it's also a story of dissemination of expertise, of emerging international institutions, and increasingly of cultural appreciation. Tea is my means of exploring and studying the interaction between the two continents. Through this workshop and by telling this story of tea, I aim to get people to consider more actively the East-West influences. But I don't want to simply tell a story, I want to contribute to it. And that's why the other major component of the workshop is educating people on tea, so that I can do my bit in inspiring appreciation of the culture of tea among Greeks and Europeans in general.